Hello everyone. On occasion of World Antibiotic Awareness Week, which is celebrated from 17th November to 24th November every year throughout the world to create awareness among mass public regarding the menace of antimicrobial resistance, I wanted to put across a message to common man how he can be a part of this awareness drive. First of all, I wanted to explain to you in very simple language what is antimicrobial resistance. Few years ago, some of the basic antibiotics like Ciplox, Augmentin, Norflox, Azithromycin were considered as a drug of choice by many doctors for prescription of simple diseases. But now, because of overuse and misuse of these antibiotics, the organisms which were responsible for these diseases have become resistant to these simple antibiotics and they are no more effective nowadays. Hence, we are left in an era which is dreaded to be as a post-antibiotic era where we will not be having many antibiotics to cure even the simple diseases. People nowadays are very afraid of corona because they see deaths and they fear deaths. But let me tell you one thing, because of this antimicrobial resistance, there are more number of deaths occurring in millions all over the world because antibiotics are not working on the sick patients. So today, let me tell you 5 ways in which a common man can help the society in combating this menace of antimicrobial resistance. Number 1, always take an antibiotic on the prescription of a qualified doctor only. Number 2, never demand an antibiotic from a doctor. It has been seen psychologically, patient demand from the doctor that if they prescribe an antibiotic to them, they will get cured better or sooner. But this practice should be stopped because doctor is a better person to judge which illness needs an antibiotic and which illness doesn't need an antibiotic. So leave it on the judgment of a qualified doctor only. Number 3, never miss an antibiotic dose. Even if you miss a dose, have it whenever you remember it and continue it till the end of the regime. Some of the patients, it has been seen that they feel better on the second day and the third day and they discontinue their antibiotic usage. But no, this is the problem where the antimicrobial resistance come up. So whatever regime has been given by the doctor, whatever dosage and days he has told you to have it, you should have it for the exact number of days. Number 4, you should never take an antibiotic over the counter from the pharmacist because he is not the correct person, he is not a qualified person to judge about your illness as per your symptoms and give your appropriate antibiotic. So this practice of over the counter sale of antibiotics should be stopped now. Last but not the least, preventing infection will reduce the use of antibiotics automatically. Avoid falling sick by following the good basic hygiene, that is, washing your hands frequently, having safe and clean drinking water, following food safety measures, taking care of your vaccination because there are many infectious diseases which are preventable by vaccine. So take care of your vaccines both for adults and for kids. This way you can prevent the infectious disease and hence the usage of antibiotics will fall. I sincerely hope this video will help you in understanding the gravity of the problem of antimicrobial resistance and you yourself will find different ways to control this problem and bring a positive change in our society. Thank you for watching the video.